Hi, Zoe. All right, we're gonna do the unboxing of the jerry can holder that's gonna go on the back of the truck there on the tire carrier. Here is the jerry can holder that came in the box. It's got a locking arm. Swings up. You can also take this off. It's not a true hinge. And this fits the Wavian authentic NATO jerry can, which is cool. So that's a 20 liter, 5.3 gallon gas can. I put a little holder here for the nozzle. Okay. However, it's supposed to fit this particular brand. I'm just gonna pop this on here. But look what happens. You know, you pop the arm back in place. Okay, so that's in place there. But it's hitting, rubbing against the cap right there, and it won't reach. It won't reach the male version, the male lock. It's like 1/4 inch off right now, but you know, if you take the nozzle off, you can put it around the cap and it will reach with a little bit of force. There we go. Jesus. So that's a real pain in the ass, honestly. And now, where the hell am I gonna put this? So, I'm not too happy about that, but looks slick as shit. We'll figure it out. All right, next step, we'll put it on the vehicle. All right, first step is to take off this molly plate here. So we're gonna take off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the hex screws. All right, so that panel is taken off. This really simple. It just goes over the back like there. And you just line up the holes and pop your screws back in. This screw went in fine. That one went in fine. But this one needed more space. Needed another spacer or two. So after backing it in and out, I stole a couple of the metal washers from the long screw for the molly plate with the one with the spacer. And then I had a leftover plastic spacer. So I got 2 there, and let's see if that fits. All right, that worked. So just take note of that this screw needs 2 metal spacers, and I even had a little plastic one. Okay, and then this one went in fine down there too. Okay, so this thing is solid. After you tighten everything up, I left this one open. Unless I have another screw, I can just fill it in there, but you don't really need it. This thing's solid. So let's put the can in there and see how that looks. Yeah, that looks really good. Really nice. And that arm came down. I had a little, locks they don't come with it. So I had a little one, you know, a little master lock. Yeah, that's beauty. The black. I decided to go with the black can instead of a red gasoline can. But I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do with the nozzle now. Well, we'll figure this out. And then I think that molly plate, I think it might be able to go on the back here. So I can put the bag that came with it on the back there. We'll see. So I thought maybe I could reuse this MOLLE panel on this side of the SideHack, but the holes, there's no configuration where these holes line up. So I'm going to shoot RiG'd Supply an email, see if there's any way, you can reuse this somewhere. But this side of the SideHack is actually for RotopaX and your RotopaX locks, so you can, buy other gas cans or water cans and, stack them. But yeah, still don't know where I'm going to put the fuel nozzle. So I just stuck the fuel nozzle in my middle console inside the truck. So looks good. Job done. All right, I did confirm with RiG'd Supply through an email that the MOLLE panel that used to be right here on the SideHack, they have no other intended purpose for that once you install this JerryRig mount. They did say that some customers strap that MOLLE panel on the side of the tire, and they used it to hang things like that. Also, the Wavian fuel nozzle for this can that usually mounts up here where it holds in place, it cannot be used with their locking bar. So just store that in your vehicle somewhere and you're good to go. That's it. Thanks for watching this instructional video on the installation of the JerryRig mount from RiG'd Supply. If you love lost treasure stories steeped in history, then you're going to love my books in the Tundra Mysteries. Featuring a Freemason military historian, think National Treasure meets Indiana Jones. Available in print, ebook, and audiobook. Get them on Amazon or CartographerCreative.com. The art of mapping is back. If you're visiting the classic colonial cities of America, such as Savannah, Georgia, Charleston, South Carolina, or the French Quarter in New Orleans, then you will love my historic bird's eye view illustrated maps. We don't erase history, we capture it. Get our maps or get lost. Available on Amazon, Etsy, Cartographer Creative, or at Walmart.